This time, it's over for real, for real. Yes, it is. I won't fall. I won't fall. But you'll fall, Sin Dog! Farewell, Sin Dog. You will fall. Bye, Sin Dog. For good this time. No Virtue Dog. I know you won't do it. No, you won't. You're not that evil. One with sin in your name. No! Sin Dog, you seem to recover really fast from that fall. Weird, how do you do it? I read books. I didn't play video games like you. I read books. Too bad you weren't the favorite child. Come on, I know that makes you angry. Come on, puppy dog. Come on, video game hog. No, I would, but we're at the children's playground. I can't be violent. No, I can't be violent at the playground. Come on, we're just fictional dogs. It's not like anybody's going to see. Yeah, we keep getting weird looks from parents every 20 seconds. I'm that child that just walked up right now to what we were doing. Oh, so that's what you want to do. But guess what? I thought you didn't condone violence. I'm playing games, Sin Dog. Stop running. Run from you? I'll never be seen running from you. You aren't scary anymore, brother. I should be. You know what, Sin Dog? Seems like this episode has a lot of people falling in it. I hear more dogs. More of our cars back on track, Sin Dog. You aren't going to make it. Cause dog, Sin Dog. No!